This is lesson 1 quiz, problem 2. Be sure to show all the steps in solving the problem and explain where you made your mistake. This problem says a kitchen wall tile is shaped like a parallelogram. The base of the tile is 2 times the height of the tile. I see base and height. These are words I'm familiar with. But I see that the base is 2 times the height. It goes on to tell me that the height of the tile is 2.5 inches. So I'm going to write that down. The height is 2.5. And I go back up here and I see that the base is 2 times the height. So 2.5 times 2 gives me 5, which equals my height. So now I say area equals base times height. Again, I'm looking for the area. So I'm going to say area equals, my base is 5 and my height is 2. And now I'm going to say 5 times 2.5 gives me 12.5. 12.5 inches squared. 12.5.